to see on this one.
Okay.
On the other big ones that stand up, there's a big one that comes down the middle, like from the vertebra and the sternum. That's the psoas major. And then this one coming down inside the iliac crest is the iliacus. And together they make the iliopsoas, but you can't really see them together on any of the models. So on this model, you can see the iliacus. You actually can't see the psoas major coming down.
Okay.
But some of the other legs that you can't see right now.
So this is the rectus femoris, the vastus medialis, vastus lateralis, and then under here is the vastus intermedius, right? Right there.
Yep.
Okay. So then the leg, okay. So the hamstrings, isn't this the biceps femoris?
Yep. Lateral.
Biceps femoris lateral, and then the semitendinosus is up here, and then the semimembranosus is down here.
It's underneath it, the whole way up underneath it.
Underneath.
See how there's one on top?
And
And it
there's
actually
one
has a
on
long
bottom.
tendon, and then there's one on the bottom. So the semitendinosus is on top, and the semimembranosus is on the bottom.
Oh, okay, so right here and right here. Okay, so then I was wondering why these were labeled two different parts, because I thought the whole thing was the gastrocnemius.
It is.
Okay, and then
There are two bellies of the gastrocnemius, and then under it
is the soleus.
yeah, it's
like
like
right here, this little
there,
line.
but it also goes all the way up underneath it. So if I pull this out,
You'll see the soleus.
yeah, that whole muscle is the soleus underneath.
Okay, and then this is the sartorius, this long thing that goes from the thigh all the way down.
Yep.
And then,
This one's the sartorius, right?
yeah, right. Oh, okay.
This one's the sartorius.
That's the
Okay.
sartorius. And then this
This.
is the gracilis. And then right next door, well, this is the adductor magnus, isn't it?
No, this one that wraps all the way around. That's like deep wrapping.
Okay,
around.
so the
That's
adductor magnus is right here. And then what's this?
You don't have to know that one. You have to know this one, adductor longus.
Longus, magnus, or magnus, longus. Where's the brevis?
You really actually can't see the brevis.
Okay, 'cause
So you
I
won't,
was
you won't
getting
really ask
confused.
that?
Yeah.
I was getting confused on all the brevises, like where are they?
No,
I
I'll
can't
take it
find
off.
them. So this is the magnus longus. And then, will you actually have these models? Like,
I have all the different legs.
okay, good. 'Cause
Just the ones
I can
that we've
see it better
seen.
right
Yeah.
here than on the, okay, so then, isn't this the tibialis anterior?
No, it's on the other side of the tibia.
Oh, okay, so right here, tibialis anterior. Then there's like the flexor,
So this one goes down to the toes.
that's an extensor digitorum longus, right?
Extensor digitorum longus, so it's pulling the toes up.
Okay.
And then the flexor digitorum longus is on the other side. Goes down underneath and pulls the toes down.
So is it right here?
Yeah, flexor digitorum longus.
Extensor
Extensor
digitorum.
digitorum longus.
And then tibialis anterior. Isn't there a fibularis longus and
Okay,
brevis?
so remember the tibia
It's
is
right here.
medial.
Mm-hmm.
The fibula is lateral.
Mm-hmm.
So this is where the fibula is, like where your lateral malleolus.
And then fibularis longus is right here.
The fibularis longus is this top one with the long tendon, and then the fibularis brevis goes underneath.
Underneath. So we won't be able to see the fibularis brevis.
Yeah, this is fibularis brevis.
Right here?
Yeah, it's like, so if we could pull this tendon up,
Mm-hmm.
this would all be fibularis brevis.
Okay, so I think that's all of them, isn't that?
I think so.